Hello, and welcome to Net at Work Sage X3 Vertical Market Solution Series. In this video, we're diving into product lifecycle management for discrete manufacturing businesses and exploring how Sage X3 can support your needs throughout the entire product lifecycle. Sage X3's product lifecycle management functionality integrates seamlessly with other modules and is engineered to support discrete manufacturers from the initial product design phase all the way through to its market launch, while ensuring a smooth transition at each stage of development. This feature is crucial for companies looking to streamline their product development processes and enhance their market responsiveness. As you can see on the screen, the diagram displayed gives us a comprehensive view of how new products transition through various stages of their life cycle. The product design functionality offers R&D teams a sandbox environment to build and customize a list of components, often referred to as a bill of materials, and link it to a specific design. Teams can also track all costs associated with a new product, including R&D costs, materials, and other relevant expenses that need to be tracked. Additionally, workflow approvals can be leveraged to streamline and manage the design approval process, ensuring each new design is fully vetted before publication and ready for production. With that said, let's dive into the product design function. Here on the top left, you can see that we're tracking the design code. Product designs can be managed by revision as well, enabling your team to track each revision along with their respective changes. With the status field, your team can monitor the status of each design, and list can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your business. Looking at the components table, you can see a variety of component types included in this design. These components can be existing products in your inventory or theoretical products that are not in your inventory but can still be utilized in the design. If you click on the drop-down menu here, it will display all the different component types that can be added to a design. From a costing perspective, each line item in the component list can have its own cost, enabling us to capture all the necessary costs associated with this design. Additionally, the tonal quality and manual yield fields can be utilized to verify costing details for a specific production batch size or a given yield. Through the Approval tab, you can add approver details and keep an eye on the approval status of the product design. Workflow monitors can also be used to send email notifications and reminders to the necessary team members, simplifying the approval process. Lastly, you can add any relevant design images in the Images tab and use the right panel to attach any needed documents. Once all the necessary updates have been made and the product design is approved and ready for production, you can use the right panel to publish the design in multiple areas. To add this design to your standard product master list and make it available for inventory, select the Publish Product button on the right panel. Then use the Publish New Material button to have the system review the component list and add any new materials to the standard X3 product master list. Clicking the Publish BOM button completes the process by generating a master bill of materials record for the design that encompasses all listed components and ensures it's ready for production work orders. Now that the product design has been finalized and published, the Master Bill of Material function enables us to manage various versions of the bill of materials, maintain start and end dates, and set its status to available or in development if it needs to be temporarily restricted. Users can also enable revision management to create an audit trail that records all changes, including who made them and when, thereby ensuring traceability when necessary. Finally, the Product function lets us set the product status to active, in development, or obsolete once the product's lifecycle is complete, preventing team members from mistakenly entering transactions for an obsolete product. This concludes the new product lifecycle management process. To quickly recap, we began with an R&D sandbox environment where we had the ability to input component and cost details, and then we tracked all the necessary information from the design phase through to approval. As shown, the product design functionality integrates seamlessly with other functions, such as inventory, purchasing, and production. This allows for the publication of design products and components directly to the standard X3 tables, while also facilitating coordination across all aspects of product development. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, one of 4 in NetEdWorks' Discrete Manufacturing series. We hope you found it insightful and enjoyed our demonstration of Sage X3's product lifecycle management functionality. As you've seen, it can make product development processes highly efficient and streamlined, thereby empowering discrete manufacturers to introduce innovations to the market faster and more effectively. If you have any questions, would like to view the other videos, or are ready to schedule a personalized demo to see why Sage X3 is the preferred ERP for discrete manufacturers, please reference the contact information shown on the screen. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.